Malapit na po ang Cebuana Lunya. Nakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan.
Seryoso, ito sa may babaan. Malapit na po. Ayaw nyo yan. Mas garantisado at mababa ang interes.
Okay, first fight. Jump ball. CY 17 ball. Number 15, Bangtak. Dribble the ball. Nakuha ng SDM team number 10, pass to number 9. Outside. Same ball. Ayan, dinaranig ulit long. Number 44, jump shot, no good. Number 9, no good. Number 15, binaba na ang bola. Pass number 23, Haller. Binalik ka number 15, pass number 26, Padilla, jump shot, no good. Already number 44, pass to number 10, binigay ka number 11, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Big shot, pass to number 10, 11, 10 to shot. Number 44, no good. Ang tira ni spot. Inbound number 17, pass to number 15, number 15, Banta. Pass to number 26, Padilla, 10 to shot. Pass number 26. No. Foul number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. One point. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound number 44, pass number 10. Number 10, Algo. Dribble the ball. Algo, pass to number 11. Ay pitaw, pero nako pa rin. Pass number 9, jump shot for 2 points. Number 15, pass to number 17. Ibigay number 26 ang bola, Padilla. O pa rin ni Padilla ang bola. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Troubling violation. Pass break. Number 44, jump shot. No good. CY 17 ball. Number 26, pass to number 15. Banta, binigay kay number 17 ang bola, Tumi. He's still in number 44, pero nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, pass to number 11, binigay kay number 44. Big shot, jump shot for 2 points. Pass break to number 15, Banta. Binigay kay number 26, back to number 10. Nakuha ni number 9, pass break kay number, outside, same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Pwede bang ako na lang ulit? Inbound, number 44. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 22. Offensive foul by number 11. Number 11. Inbound number 17. Pass number 60. Number 25, pass number 26. Number 23. Number 17, Tome. 8 to shoot. Jump shot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Offensive foul by number 17.
Number ano?
17. Tome. Inbound, number 10. Pass to number 44. Number 44. Dribble the ball. Kicking ball. Kicking ball, kicking ball. Kicking ball. Inbound, number 44, pass to number 11, back to number 44, jump shot. No good. Oh,
Offensive.
number 9. Offensive foul. Number 9, offensive foul. First personal foul. Number 26, Padilla. Pass to number 25, tinira na for 2 points. Ay, sorry. Sorry, sir. Dito lang ako, di ako gagalang. For 2 by number 10. Still by number 10. Number 10. Offensive foul by number 9. Second personal foul. Ano yan? Substitution. Substitution drop. Okay, turn around. Inbound number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Dribble the ball. Bigay number 6 ang bola. Pass to number 26, Padilla. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Foul. Number 23. First personal foul, first team foul. Ano daw? Sige na. Sabi. Number 10, still by number 6, Martinez. Substitution rep. Number 44 back to number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia dribble the ball. Pass to number 44. To the shoot. No good. A throwing spot. Now winning number 25, pass to number 26, Padilla. Sinalaksak. Nakakuha ng foul. Counted. Number 21. First personal foul, second team foul is brought to you by One point. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 10. Number 10, going down. Number 10, pass to number 44. Number 44, jump shot. No good. Outside, same ball. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 10. Still by number 26, Padilla. Pass break to number 6K, number 2. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 44. Number 11 is still not going to number 25. Pass is still by number 44. Pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 6. Number 6, Martinez. Binigay kay number 2. Oh, block by number 10. Nakuha pa rin ni number 2 ang bola. Pass to number 26. Binigay kay number 23. Haller. Inawat. For 2. Time out. SCFTM. Number 21, pass to number 10. Outside. Way 17 ball. Martinez pass to number 2. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola. Pass to number 10. Oh, outside. Way 17 ball. Nangyari. Outside. Number 21, Iglesia, big shot. Number 10, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound. One pass for Guerrero. Still by number 44. Oh. Step on the line by number 44. Number 2, back to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, jump shot, no good. Foul by number 25 ng CY17. First personal foul, second team foul. Timeout, CY17. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound number 9, pass to number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 10, Jamshan, no good. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola, pass to number, still by number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 44, jump shot for 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Pass break ni number 6 kay number 26. Binigay kay number 2 ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points. Last 35 seconds. Number 9 jump shot for 2. Pass break kay number 2. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21. Pass to number 11. Number 11, binigay kay number 10. Pass to number 9. Inangat for 2 points. 10 seconds. Outside. Same ball. Number 2 jump shot. For 2. The end of the first quarter. Number 10, Powell. Powell. Number 6, Martinez. First personal foul. First team foul. One point. No good. Pushing foul by number 22. Warning. Number 2. Okay, 22.
Ano ba? Ang gulo nyo naman dalawa?
Number 22.
Hindi sabi niya to eh.
Okay. Oh, warning number 2. Oh, yung CY7, no?
Anong ang gulo? Foul si number 22. Warning si... Dito nga ako sa baba.
Yan, maraming salamat po kay Mr. Larry Silva. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi magiging imposible ang larong ito. Boss Mark, 2 beses nagwalis siya, maga at kanina. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound number 25. Pass to number 7, box to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 2. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Outside. SDM team ball. Score all 15. Inbound number 11, pass number 10. Number 10, di depan ang bola. Number 10, dribble the ball. Oh, kick ball. CY17 ball. Inbound, number 25, pass number 6, Martinez. Di depan ang bola. Sumalaksak. Tira, no good. Oh, foul. Number 6, Martinez. Second personal foul. First personal foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. Number 10, Aldo. Pass to number 44, Angeles. Angeles dribble the ball. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 23. Pass to number 15, back to number 23. Number 23, hello. Pass to number 15, Banta. Binigay kay number 2 ang bola. 14! Number 10, Aldo, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Block by number 25. Nakuha number 9 ang bola. Steve, number 25, pass to number 2. Pass to number 15, Banta. Binigay kay number 17, Tomo. For 2 points. Number 10, Aldo. Light ball. Number 10, Aldo, dribble the ball. Pass to number 44. Number 44, Angeles. Binigay kay number 22. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 15, Banta. Pass to number 2, jump shot for 2. Inbound number 44, pass to number 10. Pass to number 9. Inangat, no good. Rolling number 23, pass to number 15. Banta. Tumik. 15. Foul counted. Subdivision rep. Foul number 44. 44. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time was 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Score 23-19 in favor of CY17. No good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Hello. Wobbling violation. Number 10, Aldo. Big shot. Inangat. Nakuha ng foul. Number 25. Second personal foul, third team foul. No good. Last one shot to Baltoro. No good again. Number 9, no good. Only number 15 ang bola, Banta. Pass break to number 2. Oh, still the number 21, Iglesia. Iglesias, pass to number 44, Angeles. Angeles jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 23, hello, pass to number 25. Still the number 9. Inangat for 2 points. Inbound number 23, pass break for number 15. Number 15, bunt up, pre-shot, jump shot, no good. Ako yung number 10 ng bola. Aldo, pass to number 21, Iglesias. Iglesias dribble the ball. Pass to number 44, jump shot, no good. Now, number 2, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola ng SEM team. Pass to number 11. Number 11, napitawan ng bola outside. Siloy 17 ball. Inbound number 25, pass to number 2. Number 2, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 23, take shot. Oh. Robbery violation. Celebration rep. Ayan na po. Kala ko may tumawag ng agad ng ambulance. Number 21, Iglesias. Pass to number 11. Sige, number 9. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha number 23. Pass to outside. Inbound number 21. Pass to number 10, Algo. Algo. Pinababa na ang bola. Algo. Pass to number 9. Inangat. For 2 points. Inbound. Ayun na. Number foul. Number 44. Angeles. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound number 17, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 2. Magpili. Magpili. Dribble the ball. 5 to shoot. Hello. 2 to shoot. Yan ay pasa kay number 10, Aldo. Piniretso na for 2 points. Number 26, Padilla, pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball, what's up? Pinasa kay number 23, hello, for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesias. Binaba na ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 10, Aldo. Bigay ka number 44, jump shot. 3 points. Number 17, pass to number 15. Back to number 17. Number 17, Tome. Bigay ka number 23, hello, Legion. Ang tirang layup. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 44, Angeles. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to... Is there to number 17? Pass break to number 23. Hello! For 2 points. Time out! SEM team. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound number 11, pass to number 10. Number 10, binababa na ang bola. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21, jump shot. 3 points. Number 15, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 26, Padilla. Delay up for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesias. Pass to number 10, Algo. Back to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 44, follow up. No good. Rebound to number 6. Pass break to number 2. Magpilo. No good. No. Outside. Same ball. Inbound number 11, pass to number 21. Oh, to wobbling violation. Inbound number 6, pass to number 15. Banta. Same ball. Ang banta ng nakararami. Number 15, pass to number 6, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 11, pass to number 10. Number 10, Algo. Napunta sa likod. Outside. CY 17 ball. Number 2, pass to number 1. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola, Iglesias. Pass to number 44, jump shot. For 2, Angeles. 2 points. Number 6, Martinez. Destroyed by number 11, Ortega. Pass to number 10, Algo, jump shot. Foul. Who's foul up? Number 6, Martinez. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Timeout. CY 17. Remaining time, last 50. Score 20. Okay, inbound. Huh? Okay. Inbound. No good. Number 17, Tome. Binaba na ang bola. Destroyer number 10. Destroyer number 17. Nakuha na number 2. Pass number 6. Martinez. Martinez. Pinasa kay number 25. Tinira, no good. Number 17, Tome. For 2 points. Technical. Technical well. Oh, technical, number 25. Number 25, technical for Hans. Sports. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 25. 2 shots, same ball. Thank you.
Ano ba yun? Wala naman naman.
Thank you. Hey, dyan na.
Unsportsmanlike.
Okay. No good. Okay, inbound, number 9. Last 25 seconds. Still pero outside. CY17 ball. Number 6, Martinez, pass break to Strober, number 44, Angeles. Angeles, 10 shot for 2 points. 15 seconds. Pass to number 2, pinigay kay number 26, Padilla. Sinira na, no good. Kuha pa rin yung Padilla. Oh, foul! Number 22, second personal foul, warning to penalty. Remaining time, last 5 seconds. Substitution rep, 5 seconds na lang. Okay, inbound. Last 5 seconds. Number 15, pass to number 17, foul, foul. Who's up? 22 again. For personal foul, penalty. 1 point. Penalty. The end of the second quarter. Hello. Ayan. Inbound, number 17. Tome. Pinasa ka number 2, pass to number 15.
Later na, may gagawin si Mami.
Number 15, Banta. Pass to number, outside. SEM team ball. Algo. Number 10, pass to number, outside team ball. Number 44, Angeles, jump shot. No good. Outside, 17 ball. Number 26, pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to score by number 10, Aldo. 14. Number 26, Padilla. Pass to number 2. Binigay ko number 15. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Foul. Who's foul? Number 15. Number 15. Yung foul ni 15. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 44, Wobbling violation by number 44, Saldinusa. Mamaya pa lang. Sorry. 7 minutes daw, 7 minutes. 7:20. Padilla, back to number 17, Tome. Pinasa kay number 23, Haller. Black by number 10. Same ball. Number 2 jump shot for 2 points. Number 44 pass to number 21. Number 21 the great shot, dribble the ball. Oh! Wow! Lakas na ulan, walang tigil. Sino? Who's foul? 26. Number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. 1 point. Inbound number 23. Pass to number 26. Still, pero nakuha pa rin ito may ang bola. Foul, counted. Number, anong na? 44. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Number 23, bigay number 17 for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia. Binaba ng bola. Rubbling violation. Subdivision rep. Coming inbound. Huwag ka mag-alala pare. Hindi yapang buhay, janitor ka. Number 17, Chris. Pass number 2. Number 2. Dribble the ball. Pass. To number 17, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 9 ang bola. 11. To Robbling. Violation. 23, Haller. For three. For 3 points. By number 23, Haller. Number 10, Aldo. Give it a ball. Pass to number 22, pass to number 24. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola. Banta. Pinawawang ang bola. Banta. Pass to number 2. Magpili. Magpili. Still pero outside. Same ball. Remit. Number 2. Pass to number 17. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Haller, jump shot, no good. Kuha pa rin ni number 3 yung bola. Pass to number 23, binigay kay number 25, jump shot. Oh. Number 44. Number 44 warning to the other way. Second, team foul. No good. That's one shot to foul zone. No good again. Rebound by number 10. Binaba ng bola. Sumalaksak. Pinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Pass to number 17. Tome. Pass break kay number 23. Haller. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. STM. Pass to number 9, binigay ka number 10, Aldo, take shot, Aldo, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin kay Aldo ang bola. Block sa number 25, pero tira for 2 points. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 44-43. Foul. Sorry. Who's the rep? Somebody who's a rep. Number 9. Inbound number 17, pass number 26, jump shot for 3. Lamang na po ang CY7 team ng 2 puntos. Number 10 is still by number 17, Tome. Pass to number 15, binigay kay number 17 again, tinira for 2 points. Time out! CM team. Remember. Okay, inbound, number 9, pass to number 21. Number 21. Diba ng bola, pinasa ka number 44. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 9. 5 to shoot. Shot no good. Number 17, pass break to number 2. Number 2, McPeely for 2 points. Inbound number 21. Or inbound again. Warning for delaying the game, number 26. Padilla. Number 10, Algo. The ball on bola. Give the ball. Pass to number 3. Johnson, no good. Only number 15, pass to number 2. McPeely, for 2 points. Pinababa ng bola ni number 44, Angeles Johnson. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ng bola, Algo. Pinangat. Ako ng foul. Number 25. Pushing foul. Para tayo sa PBA ah. Pinupunasan yung mga pawis. White ball. Oh. Substitution up. Moving inbound. Number 15, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 26, jump shot. For 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia. Dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, pero pinasa outside. Substitution up. Inbound. Inbound number 17. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 2. Number 17, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola, ipinasakan and Algo. Sumalaksak, tumulak for 2 points. Number 15, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 17, bitawan ang bola, nakuha ni number 11. Number binaba na tumulak for 2 points. Time out daw. Oh, wala, mamaya na. Number 17, pass to number 15, pass to number 23. Bigyan number 2, McPeely, jump shot. Oh, 3 points. Number 10 going down. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. No good. Number 23, oh, foul. Number 22, number 22 running to the other, running to penalty. Inbound, number 17, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 2. Number 2, McPeely. Pass to number 17. Number 26, Padilla. Bigyan number 23, pass to number 17, back to number 26, Padilla, jump shot. No good. Only number 2, dito ng bola, pinasakan number 10, Algo. Binaba ng bola, bumulay na. No good. Oh, banta pa rin ang nagbaba. Pinasa kay Halor, number 23. Number 23, nakagawa ng foul. Whistle rep. Number 22, Broadway. Penalty.
Graduate, 22. Graduate. Graduate. Foul down.
Graduate na.
Warning ka kanina tinawag mo eh.
One point. One point again. Inbound number 9, pass to number 10. Number 10, Algo. Binaban ang bola. Last 45 seconds. Foul. Is foul up? 26, Padilla. Second personal foul. Running to penalty. Remaining time, last 45 seconds. Score 48-60 in favor of CUI 70. Number 44 jump shot, no good. Foul. Grabe yung ulan. Foul? 23. Penalty tayo, rep. Penalty. Ilan foul? Second personal foul, penalty. Grabe. Ang nangyayari. No deal. Nakuha pa rin ni Algo ang bola, number 10. James Pinero, no good. Yeah. Walang foul. 22 again. Number 23. Third personal foul. Penalty. One point. Kapaw. Tatlo yan eh. Hindi ka nagilala pare. Hindi abang buhay pa. No good. Ako yung number 17 ng 07 Tome. Pass number 15. Back to number 17. Please, ito pa ako. Oh, wobbling violation. Wobbling violation. Still the 07 jump shot. No good. The end of the third quarter. wala rin darating na araw. Back to the ball game. Okay, inbound. Inbound, number 44, pass number 21. Kapigang bola, nakuha ni number 15, Banta. Nakuha pa rin ni number 21 ang bola, Iglesia. Pass to na, score by number 23. Kapit pa rin ang bola. Nakuha ni number 11, Ortega. Ortega, diretso na for 2 points. Pass break, score by number 44. Pass to number 10. Binigay ka number 21 ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points. Still by number 10, oh. CY17 ball. Kabila. Agabagal lang, may talent ka dyan, mga magbibigay sa iyo, mga nag-uutos sa iyo. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, inbound, number 17, pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Pinaba ang bola. Oh, yes. Okay, basta wala na lang daw tatakbo para walang madulas. Okay. Back to the ball game. Huwag na kayo aapak sa guhit. Outside daw yung pag umapak kayo. Oh, huwag na kayo aapak sa guhit eh. Foul, number 44. Number 44. Foul out. Number 44, foul out. First team foul. Pasensya ka na. Substitution. One point. Dapat pala dito ako kanina pa, hindi ako mamamaos. Last one shot to Padro. Okay. One point again. Inbound number 10, pass to number 9, back to number 10. Number 10, pinaba ng bola. Number 10, Aldo, pass to number 9, 24, pass to number 21. Number 21, trying to shoot. Jump shot. 3 points. Inbound number 17, pass number 26, number 26, pass number 2. Awarding number 23 ang bola. Hello, bring it to number 2. Magpili. Pass number 15. Banta. 10 to shoot. to shoot. Number 26 jump shot, no good. Now only number 11. Pass back to number 10. For 2 points. Magpili to number 17, Tome. Binigay ka number 15 ng bola. Banta. Banta, dribble the ball. Pinasa kay number 23, hello. Oh! Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Well, sino foul? Hinahanap ako. Number 24. Number 24. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 11 minutes and 58 seconds. Score 58-63 in favor of CY7 team. One point again. Rebound number 11, pass number 10. Algo, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's fouled? 26, Padilla. Third personal foul, penalty. First team foul. One point. One point again. Inbound number 23, pass to number 6, Martinez, pass break to number 2, Magpili. Nakuha ni Banta ang bola. Banta, back pass to number 6. Martinez, binigay kay number 2, Magpili. Pass to number 23, hello. 9 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. 2 to shoot. No good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 17 ang bola, Tome. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 2, Magpili, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21, Iglesia. Oh. Foul. Number 16. Number 6. Subdivision group. Warning to graduate. Second team foul. Second pa lang daw. Wala pa, second pa lang. Parehas, second team. Inbound number 9, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Number 21, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 17, Tome. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, pinasa, oh. Foul! Number 15. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Time po, 5 minutes cut time.
Boss, 5 minutes cut time. Tama? Pabayaan niyo po yung ano. Number 10, binaba na ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 9. Number 9, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 17 ang bola. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Binigay kay number 2, Magpili. Pass to number 15. Binigay kay Magpili. Pass to number 15. Binigay ulit kay Martinez. Number 15, Banta. Number 2, Magpili. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 27. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Binaba ng bola. Algo. Pass to number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 11, jump shot, Ortega for 2 points. Inbound number 6, Martinez, pass to number 15. Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 2. Back to number 6, Martinez. Oh! Back up! Inbound number 10, pass number 11. Number 11, back to number 10. Pass to number 21, pass to number 11. Ortega jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Martinez, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21, Iglesia. Binaba niya ang bola. Iglesia, pass to number 10. Number 10, binigay kay number 9 ang bola. Pass to number 10, tinira na po 2 points. Inbound number 6, pass to number 17. 2 minutes. Pass number 2, Magpile. Magpile. Gab na papasahan. Nakita sa number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Pass number 15. Banta. 8 to shoot. Pass number 23. Hello. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11 is by number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Martinez for 2 points. Inbound, number 27. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pinababa ang bola. Algo. Pass to number 21, Iglesia. Jump shot. No good. Oh, foul by number 17. Number 17, second personal foul, warning to penalty. Service rep. Ayan, inbound. Inbound number 11, pass to number 10, pass number 11. Binigay number 9, John Shan, no good. Rebound by number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 15. Banta. Binigay kay number 26, Padilla, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Banta ang bola, binigay kay Martinez. Martinez, piniyay up, no good. Tapos ang bola, nakuha ni number 11. Ortega, pass break to number 21, Iglesia. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 2. Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty. Timeout. CY7. Tutuloy-tuloy na natin pause. Okay, back to the ball game. Mula sa tirang Paltron, Iglesia number 21. Last one shot to Paltron. No good. Running number 26, Padilla, pass to number 2. Number 2, Magpile, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, binigay ulit kay Padilla, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11, Ortega. Binaba na ang bola. Ortega, nilay up for 2 points. Number 26, Padilla. Pass to number 6. Binigay kay number 2, magpili. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Foul! Galing! Number 21, second personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time, just 3 minutes and 21 seconds. The score, 67-68 in favor of CY7 team. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng CY7 team. Martinez is scoring by number 27. Nakuha pa rin yung number 27 ang bola. Oh! 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 Same ball. Number 6. Foul. Number 6, fouled out. Penalty. One point. Yan, all 68 na po. All 68. Score all 6-8. No good. Nakuha ni number 26, pass to number 17, Tome. Tome, dribble the ball. Ipinasa kay number 26, Padilla. Binigay kay number 25. Scored by number 10, Albo. Albo, pass to number 21, jump shot for 2. Ilesa. Number 2, Magpili, pass to number 26, Padilla. Jump shot. No good. Oh! Jumbo! Which one? Natanong ko kanina ba? Substitution. Pasok. Two minutes and 47 seconds. Score 70-68. Lamang na po ang SCM team. Magpili. Pass number 15, Banta. Jump shot. No good. Number 21. Pass to number 12, 11. No good. Nahuli number 17 ang bola. Tume. Binaba na ang bola. Number 17. Pass to number 23. Number 23 sumalaksap. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 17. No good again. Oh! 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 Who's out? Number 36. Number 36, Padilla, warning, Sigara Gate, sa penalty. Time out. SCM team. Time out, SCM team.
Ayan, maulang gabi po sa inyo lahat. No good. Last one shot to foul throw. Post yung lalaki. One point. Inbound, number 17. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Binaba na ang bola. Binigay kay number 17 again. Number 15, banta. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. 3 points. All 71. Number 10, Algo. Binaba na ang bola. Oh. 3.
Wait lang mga kapuso. Ayan, maraming salamat kay EXO. Ang EXO ng Barangay 72. Inbound number 26, pass to number 15, Banta. Pass to number 26, jump shot. 3 points. Number 10, Aldo, pass to number 21, Iglesia, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 10, pass to number 9, nakakuha ng foul kay number 2. Number 2, second personal foul. Penalty.
Uso. Doon kasi naman. Pag may nawala yan, damay ka.
Okay, kaya.
Baka hindi na.
Oh. One point. Last one shot to Balso. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ng bola. Pass to number 11 for 2 points. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. The score all 74. Number 17, pass to number 15, Banta. Banta, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Number 17 for 2 points. Galing. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 10. Number 10, Algo. Nababa na ang bola. Pass to number 11, pass to number 10. Pass to number 21, Iglesia, take shot, jump shot. No good. Number 11, Ortega for 2 points. Inbound, number 23, pass to number 15. Number 15, go for the ball. Remaining time, last 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. to shoot. Hello for 2 points. Time out. And back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Malayo mangyari. Okay, in down. Ha? Wala na pong timeout ang SCM team. Pero ang CY7, meron pa po kayong isang timeout.
Dalawa ng timeout, nakadalawa na sila.
Wala na pong timeout ang SCM team. Pero ang CY7, meron pa po kayong isang timeout. Uulitin ko po ng paulit-ulit. Wala na pong timeout ang SCM team. Okay, inbound. Inbound, number 24. Remaining shot clock 14 seconds. Number 24, pass to number 21. Time to shoot. 6 to shoot. Traveling violation. Wala raw. Okay. And number 15, banta. Pinaba ng bola. Bring the ball, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, back to number 2. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 20 to shoot, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 11 ng bola. Ortega is still. Oh, kicking ball. Kick ball. CY7 team ball. The referee decision. Oh, SCM team, go. Wala na mong timeout ang SCM team, sir. Remaining time, that's 3 seconds. Okay. Yeah. Okay, walang hawakan. Inbound, number 10. Pass to number 11. Number 27. Jump shot. And the winner, CY17. Best player.